Welcome to HS Segway, home to thousands of homeschooling families and the tools they use to find and manage homeschooling events and classes. HS Segway's family plan is free, secure, and always will be. We know that the homeschooling community needs a place to find and organize educational events, and that is our purpose. This video will show you how HS Segway can make your homeschooling life much easier. Get started with the free registration. In the interest of time, we won't go through the whole form, but simply fill out and submit the form. Now, add any family members that will participate in homeschooling events to your profile. Simply enter their first name, last name if different, gender, and grade level. You can then view the postings on the various boards to look for the things you need as a homeschooling family. Note that the boards are categorized into local events, classes, member needs, and local tutors. Check the local events board and find the educational events that are happening near you. This board only shows the events that are taking place within 100 miles of your zip code. Of course, you can narrow this radius or even search for specific topics. If your local support group has formed a private group on HS Segway, then you can join that group and participate in discussions, view the group's postings, upload files, photos, and videos, post on the wall, and more. More on that later. You may want to post your own events and needs as well, particularly if the postings are sparse in your area. Get started by deciding which kind of event you want to post. For example, a field trip. This would be considered a local event. Enter the applicable grade range for the event and whether or not you want to manage enrollment. If you choose to post the event as informational, then you are just posting to raise awareness of the event, but will not manage attendees. For managed events, you would enter a group size, then go on to enter the event type, title, and description. The cut and paste feature makes adding descriptions for your event as simple as 1, 2, 3. Now enter the venue name, address, and zip code. The city and state will be filled in automatically. Next, set the time and date of the event. And if you want, you can upgrade the posting to handle e-commerce elements, collection of fees for paid events. You can even auto-enroll applicants if you select this option. Okay, now we're finished. So let's take a look at what members will see when they view an event. So they click on an event and view the description as well as all the details. They can even view a map of the event location if they wish. If they choose to respond to the event, any member of their family that are eligible to participate based on grade range, are visible in the application page. They can also see any members that are already enrolled and planning to attend. As they select members, if the event has been upgraded to include fees, the fees will be visible to them automatically. They can add comments to send and then preview and submit their application. Any events to which they have replied will now show in their family calendar, and any events that have been posted by a member shows in their calendar as well. Now let's look at your event management system, which has been fine-tuned to accommodate the needs of homeschooling families. This listing shows a summary of all the postings that you have made and their status. By selecting a posting, you can edit it, make a copy, which is very handy for posting similar new events, delete it, etc. After electing to manage a posting, You can choose to enroll new applicants, contact them, decline their application, waitlist them, or remove them if they were previously enrolled. And the Quick Stats table gives you a snapshot of the number of respondents and their status. Once the event is organized, you can send comments and documents to all enrollees simultaneously by selecting the Contact Enrolled button. You are also able to send comments and documents to the applicants as needed. Well, that's probably enough about event management, but we mentioned groups earlier, and let's just take a deeper look at what is waiting there. Click the My Groups link. When your group creates an HS Segway group membership, they have a private group area to view postings, upload files, photos, and videos. Postings can be viewed in a tabular or calendar view. You will have a private forum for group discussions as well. You can send quick messages to any member, and the group admins can message the entire group with a single click. So have your group join HS Segway to take advantage of these and many more HS Segway features.